Take a deep breath. Relax yourself. Just chant. Relax yourself. Follow your breath. Follow your breath through your nose. Follow inhaling of your breath and exhaling of your breath. While breathing, consciously breathe with nose and mouth. Just observe. Just observe your breath. Relax and sit comfortably. Observe the universe. Observe the sound. Observe the environment. Just observe. Follow your breath. Consciously observe around you. Just observe. Now, relax completely. Sit comfortably. Sit straight, tall, comfortably. Imagine a string pulling you up and keeping you higher. Just imagine a string pulling you up and keeping your head high. Keep your head high and follow the guidance. Keep your eye closed. Sit comfortably. Start breathe. Take a deep breath through your nose, through your mouth, and start counting of your breath. Out of your count, each inhale, imagine that you are breathing confident and power. Sit comfortably and observe your breath. Start count your breath. While counting your breath, inhaling, just imagine you are breathing confident and power. Every exhale of your breath, imagine you are exhaling all your negative energy and self-doubts. While exhaling, you are exhaling all your negative energy and self-doubts. Continue to observe, breathe in, breathe out. While breathing in, imagine you are breathing confident and power. While exhaling of your breath, imagine you are exhaling all your self-doubts and negative energy. Continue the flow and observe. Now, say louder to yourself and head up. Sit confident and inhale. I am sure of myself and my abilities. Just inhale. I am sure of myself and my abilities. Notice and observe how nice it feels. Just notice and observe how nice it feels. Take a time to work for yourself. Notice how you can feel and more confident just by sitting up and tall with your head high and saying the confidence. I am confident. I am inhaling the power. I am confident. I am sure of myself and my abilities. Every breath, when inhaling, imagine and say to yourself loudly, I am confident. I am sure of myself and my abilities. Just inhale. I am confident. I am sure of myself, my abilities. While exhaling, imagine and say, I'm exhaling all my self-doubts and negative energy. Imagine and say, while exhaling of your breath, I'm exhaling all my self-doubts and negative energy. Feel. Now feel your breath while inhaling the confident, exhaling the doubts. Just compare yourself before and now. Keep breathing. Now your mind starts wonder, what is that magic? How it worked? And feel of self-doubt, cribbing. Notice this. Observe it. And do not judge. Don't judge. Do not judge. Just observe and leave it. Now bring to your attention back and take a deep breath. While inhaling, say that I am confident, I am sure of myself and my abilities. Confidence is within me. And say, I reach my confidence. While exhaling, exhale all your self-doubts and negative energy. Inhaling, see, I am confident. I am sure of myself and my abilities. Now say, I reach the confident. Observe just. and say, I thank myself being here. I thank Prapancha Shakti Reiki being here. I thank my Guru being here. I thank the people who are supporting me and helping me directly and indirectly being with me. I am working very sincere and honest. I respect all living and non-living things. I live in the attitude of gratitude. Ah. 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 By closing, I am confident, diluted all my self-doubt and negative energy. I reached higher self. I am confident, I am sure of myself and my abilities. I complete, I complete, I complete. Just rub your hand, put it on your face, and relax yourself. Gently open your eyes and feel. Thank you with me. Thank you being here.